Hi guys, this is Abhijit here. Welcome back to ID Solution channel. Guys, you know from the title that what we are gonna to do today. Okay, so we have our new friend. Hello guys, this is also Abhijit part 2. Okay, what he will do I don't know. Let's follow him. Okay. First of all, you give me your number. Okay, then you will know what I can do with you now. Yeah, first of all, give me your number.
Okay, I will give you the number. Okay, write it.
7377
Okay.
220238. Okay, then guys, let's just go to the tutorial and you will also know how we can bomb him his number. Okay, let's begin.
Oh my god, what did you do? What? Flipkart message? Swiggy message? What the hell? What is going
It's
on,
a magic,
man?
bro. It's a
On
magic.
my phone?
You can't understand that.
What did you do?
Okay, this is a technological magic. Yeah. Also, I will give you the prevention. Okay, guys, let's go to the prevention tutorial. Okay, let's begin.
Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
Hey bro, just tell me the tricks. Okay, I will also do with you. I am not going to tell you all those things. Please watch my video on the YouTube, then you will get the ideas about it. Okay guys, if you like this video then like it. If you are new to my channel then subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you will be getting all the notifications when I upload a new video. Guys, stay home, stay safe, and goodbye.